Hey folks, and welcome to week number 12. This week, really, we've got two things to do. One is to write the essay, the other is to complete your research discussion round 3. So in order to do this, I want you to look at the feedback on your research answers. If you resubmitted, I will have given you additional feedback. Look for feedback in D2L in your introductory paragraph. I will have given you feedback on that as well. Review the citation basics section. That is right down here. So this, again, just has why we cite and how to go about the basic process of citing. After essay 1 and 2, I generally won't give any more options to rewrite if you fail to cite something. Okay, so this is the time that you need to sort of make sure that you're doing it right. If you've got any questions before you turn it in, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'll be glad to give you a hand. Then we're going to write and submit the Essay 3 draft. Now, that's really the bulk of the work for this week. I really want you to spend your time working on writing that paper. Then we've got one more thing, which is research discussion round 3. Those are the 10 questions that you got last week that you were given 2 weeks to work on. So by next week, what I want you to do is, as a group, identify answers to all those. I want you to post your final answers in the research discussion board. Just click it here. It's linked right here. So just go ahead and post those answers to the discussion board. Now, if you have used the Google Doc to compile your work, not a problem. I'll go in there and take a look and see how you guys did. If you used a Google Chat or something else that I might not have access to, make sure you get me access to it so that I can grade, okay? If you've got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.